My name is Rakesh and I am the Chief Business Officer at Tyres and More. Tyres and More is into doorstep fitment of tires, batteries and alloy wheels. So it's an e-commerce platform where customers can come to our website, select different brands. We have a display of different brands at competitive prices, and they can select a brand of their choice and schedule a delivery at their convenience, at their doorstep. Now, to cater to this need, what we have to do as a company is ensure that our supply chain of delivering products at a particular time is stitched together to ensure there is no hassle in terms of providing that convenience to the customer. And this was a particular challenge where we were facing, how if a customer wants a service in 3 to 4 hours and our van is already in that particular route but not carrying that particular product, and how to basically feed that product to that particular van so that we can complete that particular fitment on time for that customer. So that is one critical challenge we faced in our B2C business. We were currently using our own fleet, which we were using for B2C. So we had to depend on a B2C or current fleet, and we were not able to scale. So to meet the B2B demand, we were using our B2C vehicles, thereby not using that particular fleet for B2C customers. So that was the challenge which we were facing. Using Porter, we have used regular, as a customer itself, we have used Porter for our own needs. So we knew that there is one solution in the market which will act as a feeder model for my, feeding particular products to my van. And hence we tried using Porter, using that model, and that subsequently helped us in terms of increasing the number of orders which we were serving in a day. So we thought, why not tie up with a company like Porter, where we have a pan-India presence. We have one single account, and using that single account and multiple logins, we can basically use that particular channel to use as a feeder model in our B2C network. And through this, we tied up with them, and they have helped us in terms of increasing the number of orders which we can service in a day, almost 2x times. So we have basically able to scale our growth from, last 2-3 years. Every year we are doubling, almost 60-70% growth is there in our terms of revenue, and that scalability is been brought by Porter being one of our pillars towards that, achieving that growth.